Hello guys, for today's video, we're going to cook alambay. Special food in our province. Sibuyas at saka ahos. At the final recipe is this one. Ito, sakalam. We gonna tad the ahos here. Sa baers kay ako ang pa-racers when we're gonna this one. Magamit na tag oyster sauce guys kay papalami na siya guys no. Wa mo oyster sauce sa inyo ha. Aw, pwede na po siyang tuyo, butangan niyo kamay. Magic sarap or gini sa mix. That's what. And so pagkahuman ani guys, tuunan na to ani, manatog tad-tada ni ron. Ugasan sada ang lambay no. Uyo guys kay didok-dok guys. Ako ra mag-video guys, wala tay videographer guys. So hiwaon na siya gagmay guys, aron mananam siya guys no.
Wala kwarta siya guys. Gaway siya guys. Kamagol.
Wa may kwarta daw guys, no ko. It's normal.
Ina guys, pamaguloy. So hindi kay kwarta.
No. We're gonna make money for this video. Pero this video is good for our YouTube channel. Sige. Goodbye.